In this video, we are going to discuss about the intraday stocks for 8th December 2021 and the day would be Wednesday. Now, if you have watched yesterday's video, I clearly said whenever I find the situations where I couldn't find one stock to trade for buying and all the four stocks that I suggested was for selling. When these type of things happen that I couldn't find one stock for buying, at that time from that point market has turned uniformly up, bounced back. That's what I said, and that is exactly what has happened today. But this is still a resistance 17400. I said yesterday that though 17000 and 17200 is resistances, but 17400 is the actual resistance which need to be crossed, and any buying that will come above 17250. So Nifty tried to go to 250 and from the exact point sell off came. So as and when 17250 is broken and closed, then only we can see an up move until 17400, above which the run will start. So now it is looking range bound in a wide range. Now in 1 hour chart you can see that after a sharp sell off it has also bounced very sharply and it is near about more than 50%. Yes, more than 50% has been recovered, and from there a sell off came. Now if this level is crossed, if this level is crossed, then we can expect some downward movement until 17,000, 17,200, 1750 again. But if this if this is crossed, then we can buy keeping a very small stop loss and we can achieve up to this target, and above 7250 is what we will find some run on the upside. So tomorrow what we can do is that if Nifty opens flat within this candle and crosses up, then we can buy keeping this as stop loss. So 20 to 30 point stop loss we can keep, and we will buy. Our target would be near 17250 again. But if it starts coming down, then we will sell in half quantity. We will sell some quantity, and as and when this level of 17150 is broken, we will add more quantities. But the thing is that the selling will be met with buying at every level, and if any big gap up comes, then what will happen? It will be volatile, and after that if it crosses 17250, then we can buy. So this will be our buying level. So 17250 is one very good level above which we will initiate our buying position, and any big gap down we can look at price action to trade either on the upside for this target or on the downside for these levels. Now let's look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is trading just within a box, typically within a box, and until and unless one side is broken, we will see Bank Nifty trade volatile within this range only. And you can also see that this is kind of a triple top or four top. Here is one top, this 1, 2 and 3. It has tested 4 times. After this gap down, this has been tested 3 times, and if it comes and breaks again, then we can see a decisive move, and where up 37,350 to 37,400, in this level we can see some sell off. If this level is crossed, then we will see some further up move from here. In 1 hour chart you can see whatever the fall was there, it has been recovered, and now it's closing near this. So if this high is taken out, then we can expect some buying, and if 36,500 is broken on the downside, we can expect some sell off up to 36,000 level again. So what we can do tomorrow immediately is that if it opens somewhere flat, if Bank Nifty tomorrow opens somewhere flat, then it will come down, and within the first 15-minute candle itself it will test the lows and it will go up again. So if it crosses this level, we can buy with a small stop loss, or if it comes down in the first 15 minutes, if it comes down and makes this type of candle, then we can buy above the high of these candles. So that's what we can do. Any big gap up, and if it sustains and crosses 36,800, then further level will come, and 36,800 is going to act as a strong resistance. And on the downside, 36,500, 36,300, 36,000, these levels will act as support. So let's look at the stocks. The first stock is Titan. You can see that after making a fall, it has made a top. Sellers tried to take down, but if selling pressure was huge, then it would break this low, but it didn't. It made a kind of a higher top and then is going up. So it can make a W pattern. So in order to make a W pattern, it has to come to this level. So if this high is crossed, then we can buy above 2386, keeping a 6-point stop loss, and 1:2 will be the target on the upside. The next stock is Madhusumi. You can see that it fell from here, and now it is consolidating within a range which has been tested. The range has been tested once, twice, and thrice. 3 times sell-off came from this level. So if 4th time it hits, if it opens flat and crosses 220 on the upside, then we will buy it with 3 to 4 point stop loss and 1:2 target on the upside. Then these levels can also come. The next stock is HDFC AMC. Yesterday I also gave this stock for selling. Now it made a small candle, and the potential is there that if it comes down, then these levels can come. So if tomorrow 2517 is broken, then we are going to sell it with 7-point stop loss and 1:2 target on the downside. The next stock is Star or Stride Pharma. You can see that it is falling and it is making a range, and then but it's falling on the downside, and it has now from this high it fell. Now it has made a lower high, and then it's falling, and it has broken the lows also. So if it continues to fall, then you will not be able to see it until I make it a weekly chart. On weekly chart, you can see that this was a strong support, which has been broken, and now it consolidated within this level. So this could be the support, and these levels are the support now. So if it breaks this, then the support is far from here. So what we can do is that tomorrow, if it breaks 469 on the lower side, then we are going to sell it with 4-point stop loss, and 1:2 will be the target on the downside. So that is for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.